The weather. What do you know about the weather? I would like to introduce some information that I know about the weather. The weather can be sunny, rainy, windy, or snowy. Every kind of weather is happening somewhere in the world right now. The weather is caused by three main things: heat, water, and air. The sun gives out heat, which warms the earth. Water makes clouds and rain. It also makes fog, hail, and snow. Air is always moving around. This is what makes the wind blow. Water cycle. The sun warms the water in the sea and turns it into an invisible gas. The gas rises and turns into tiny droplets of water, making clouds. The tiny droplets bump into each other and join together to make bigger drops. When the drops of water become heavy enough, they fall as rain. Rivers carry the rainwater back to the sea. The water cycle begins again. Wind. The wind is moving air. It happens when hot air rises and cold air rushes in to take its place. The strength of the wind is measured on a scale from 1 to 12. A force 2 breeze dries the clothes on a clothesline. A force 5 wind blows the leaves from the trees. A force 9 wind is a severe gale. It can blow tiles from roofs. A force 12 wind is a hurricane. It can destroy houses. A hurricane begins when hot air rises quickly over the sea and starts to spin. This causes a violent storm with heavy rain. When a hurricane reaches land, huge waves and strong winds batter the coast. Animal magic. Weather doesn't just affect people, it affects the way animals behave too. Every year, some birds fly a very long way to escape the cold winter weather. Some animals sleep through the long, cold winter. For example, bears. This is called hibernation, hot and cold. Some places have such extreme weather that not many people or animals live there. The Sahara Desert in Africa is one of the hottest and driest places on earth. Camels can live here because they can survive without water for a long time. Under the hot sun, the desert rock becomes so hot that you could fry an egg on them. Antarctica is the coldest place in the world. Penguins are one of the few animals that are able to live there. They huddle close together to keep warm in the water. Heating up. Many scientists think that the Earth's atmosphere is slowly getting warmer. The air in the atmosphere acts like a blanket to keep the Earth warm. When fuels like oil and coal are burned, a lot of gases are released into the air. The atmosphere is getting warmer because the gases trap heat from the sun. If the Earth gets warmer, the weather will change. In cold places, ice and snow will melt and could cause massive floods.